Infusing flavors, unlocking the secrets in cooking. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, particularly in the culinary world. We're going to explore the phrase, infuse flavors. This term is not just a culinary technique but also a beautiful metaphor in English. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning and usage together. Infuse is a verb that originally comes from Latin. In cooking, it means to steep a substance in liquid to extract the flavor or to impart flavor into the liquid. It's like making tea. The water takes on the flavor of the tea leaves. Flavors, on the other hand, are the tastes of food or drink. They can be sweet, sour, salty, bitter, or umami, a savory taste. When we talk about infusing flavors, we're discussing the process of adding or enhancing these tastes in food or drink. Infusing flavors is an art in the culinary world. It involves steeping ingredients like herbs, spices, or fruit in a liquid, like water, oil, or alcohol, to extract their flavors. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the desired intensity of the flavor. For example, when making a flavored oil, chefs might infuse garlic or rosemary into olive oil. The oil slowly absorbs the flavors, creating a delicious and aromatic ingredient for cooking. In English, infuse flavors can also be used metaphorically. It means to add a distinctive quality or element to something. For instance, the author infuses flavors of mystery and suspense in her novel, means the author adds elements that make the novel intriguing and exciting. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, infuse flavors, both in its literal culinary sense and its metaphorical usage. Remember, language is like cooking. It's all about mixing the right ingredients to create something delightful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.